heavens bow, the angels sing. Every tongue and tribe confessing Jesus Christ, eternal King. No other name can save the sinner. No other blood can cleanse the soul. He bore the cross, fulfilled the promise. His mercy made the broken whole. Wonderful Counselor, Prince of Peace, the mighty God who reigns supreme. Upon his shoulders rests salvation, the hope of glory, our Redeemer's theme. The name that breaks the chains of bondage, the name that silences the storm. In every valley he walks beside me, my refuge strong, my shelter warm. He's Alpha, Omega, beginning and end, the Word made flesh, my dearest friend. He calls